Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a hard drive into your new PC. This is kind of going to be a video just kind of to show you some maintenance of my own PC. Ran out of storage, so I'm going to be throwing in this 1TB Western Digital Blue, a terabyte of course, to upgrade the storage. I've also purchased myself a little right angled SATA cable, a Molex 215 pin, just in case I don't have enough power cables or the way I want to line it up. I've also got 4 screws and 2 cable ties, and I'm also going to be moving my SSD from in here to the front so it can actually be better displayed. So let's get it pre-unscrewed the sides, so I should be able to just bring these straight off. You've got to admire the toilet roll tube that's stopping my 970 from Boeing. 970 plan to upgrade to 10 series card eventually, probably in January. So I'll probably be getting a 1080, or I'm thinking about Titan. Okay, so first things first. This PC, this is the H440. The actual storage drives. So I actually have a 500 and a 1TB already in here. I've also got my Samsung 850 EVO in here as well. So I'm going to actually disconnect these and get these arranged. Taking out my SSD, and this is where my new hard drive is going to go. It's just going to go straight in under the other two, and the SSD is going to come around to the front of this case. So I've only 2 screwed this, so I'm just going to get this unscrewed. There's 2. So this is actually 850 EVO SSD. I'm going to set this to the side when we throw this into the front of the case in a minute. So this case actually comes with really nice drive trays. So the 1TB hard drive should fit just perfectly in there, as it does. Nice thing about this, I can just set it down on the table. Hopefully you guys can see this. And I'm going to just throw this straight back in. I'll 2 screw this as well with the same screws that I have for the SSD. There we go, that's the hard drive installed on the tray, and we're going to just throw it straight in here. And the thing that's nice actually about this case is the fact they use some screws for literally everything. So, okay, so we're going to move on to the SSD installation as well now, before we start cabling up. So I'm going to flip the computer around, which does weigh a ton. So I can install my SSD in either one of these drives. It's a bit dusty. I think I'm going to go for this one here. Okay guys, I've actually decided I'm going to throw it in this one here. I think it will provide better cable management. So grab the SSD. It's a 250 gig Samsung EVO. And well, if this, we're just going to need to throw it on this right here. Okay, yeah, that fits perfect, looks good. So next thing is to cable up. Let's just make sure we get all the pushing cables, and I'm actually going to check if this fits in here at the front. Okay guys, so luckily we don't actually need to use the adapter, because I was just checking. I have this cable here which is going to be fed through to the front, and these cables here which are going to power all 3 of my hard drives. So basically the next step in installation is to hook up your 3 cables. So here's the first one, followed by the second one, and finally the third one, which fits very snug. Now what I'm trying to figure out here is it worth putting the right angled one into my front, which is going to be for the SSD, which I think is actually going to be the better choice here. And sadly it's not black, but I don't think that should really matter. Let's see. Yeah, that doesn't matter, so that'll go in like that, which actually will be better in the long run. So yeah, I'm going to sadly put the blue one to the front. It shouldn't really matter at the end of the day though. Right angle one can go to the new one, the bottom. Feed that in for all back. This one can go to the middle. So actually that one's from the bottom. That one can go in there. Yeah, they all go in there nice and snug. So now we're going to have to hook this in to my power supply. So this actually plugs into what's known as a modular power supply. Well, in my case it's semi-modular, which hopefully isn't going to be a bollocks to get access to, because it's in a wee basement. So I might have to blind go for it. As you can see, it's a 6-pin. So yeah, I'm going to try and get this plugged in. That's that installed. So flipping the case around to this side, as you know, we're going to actually need to feed 2 different cables through. So all hard drives standard, you need your SATA and your power, which are, well, you need both of them. So in this case, we're going to need to pass a SATA cable through to the SSD as well as the power cable. So I just plugged in the power cable at the back, so hopefully this right angle one will do the job. So I'm going to bring this up here, like so. Hopefully this works perfect. Go. Bring that through like that. Also, if you don't know this, PCs, motherboards usually have different speeds of SATA ports on the motherboard, of course, so you're obviously going to want to put your SSD into the quickest one. See, I have SATA 3, and SATA 3, 4, and 6. So, obviously depending on your manual and stuff, you're going to need to look at that and have a wee check and see which is the quickest. Plug in my SATA. I'm going to see if this right angle power is going to be fine for this, where it's located. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be. So that's them both installed. Okay, yeah, so we have encountered a problem here. It's this lead. Sadly I have no straight connectors, which is a real pity, so actually that looks tight in there actually. Just double check this lead as well. Yeah, both of them seem fine. We'll pass this through to the back. And that's that connected in there. So actually it doesn't look too bad. So we've got the SSD cable going through there, power going through there, coming through into the front. So that's pretty much it when it comes to hard drive installation. It's pretty simple. SSD now at the front of my computer unit. Get the light on that, which looks 10 times better. It is a Samsung one, so you might as well display it because they are nice compared to what all our SSDs are. And of course, I'm going to show you the hard drives and the excellent cable management that I have here. So what's nice about this case as well is that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it with throwing the side panels. So yeah guys, that's it for hard drive installation. I've also thrown this beautiful Samsung SSD to the front of the computer. So that now means in total I've got two 1 terabyte hard drives, a 500 gig hard drive, and a 250 gig Samsung 850 EVO SSD. In total that's just coming just under 3 terabytes. I think any future hard drives I'm going to buy are going to be mass storage, because this PC can take another, well, SATA ports, there's another 2, so that means up to another 2 hard drives. And hard drive bays, I think there is actually 2, not including the basements or the solar SSD slots left. So yeah guys, there's how you install a hard drive and an SSD into your PC. Make sure you like, subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.